Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Panda Bento lunchbox in a bamboo skin sheet. We've been to Ueno Zoo and had this Panda Bento lunchbox. Actually, 3-year-old Shanshan is leaving Japan this year, so we decided to see her and her parents. You have to make a reservation to go there, so there weren't many people and it was not packed. But because of the COVID-19, some animals were absent. However, you can enjoy a lot there. There were many other panda-related foods and goods, so if you like panda, it's a great place to visit. Anyway, I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. These are the dishes you need. I have the links to the recipes in the description box. Soak the bamboo sheets 2-3 hours in advance to make them soft. Rinse and wipe off any extra water. By the way, bamboo sheet is not a must, so you can use a bento box, of course. You need white rice formed into triangle shape to make panda face. This onigiri mold is not necessary but easy to use. I'm using Gomoku Gohan, but any soy sauce-based brownish flavored rice is okay. Oh, by the way, don't forget to peel off a bamboo string to tie up the bento. Kinshi Tamago shredded egg crepe. It's easy to make, link in the description box. Sakura denbu, pink colored seasoned shredded codfish. You buy it, it's sold in a package. Simmered shiitake mushrooms. It's easy, link in the description box. Salt boiled snow peas. Black beans. Oh, it looks like a dog. Yeah, that's panda. You can put any meat dish. From top to bottom, I, my son, my daughter made. Fold both sides and tie with the bamboo string. And now it's done! I made the same bento on the next day. Kids loved it. It's super easy to make. I recommend it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いただきます。どうぞ召し上がれ。これまず1個。
いいよ、食べてみて。明日お弁当に持っていける？それ作るよ、ママ作ってあげるよ、明日お弁当に。
これママ？
うん、
食べてみて。この皮のまま？
お弁当箱の中に作るから。
お肉？うん。すごい。オチケロンって書いたら出てくるので、バイバイ。探してみてね。あ、ガオライオン。
それクマだよ。
あ、クマだった。ライオンじゃなくてクマ。かわいいね。ブブブブブブブブブブブブブブブ。